YouTubers, think about adding a disclaimer, a waiver of liability, and a copyright notice at the end of your YouTube descriptions. And while I've got your attention, add a disclaimer within your YouTube videos also. Look, you guys, I'm speaking from experience. My name is Mitch Jackson. I've been practicing law for 33, almost 34 years. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that disclaimers and waivers work. Yes, the law is different in every state. Check with a lawyer in your state to see what type of disclaimer you need to include in your YouTube videos and your YouTube descriptions. And by the way, while I am a California trial lawyer, and a pretty good one at that, I'm not your lawyer. No legal advice is being given in this video. I'm simply sharing my thoughts, my ideas, and a couple of YouTube/video/business lawyer tips. For an example of the type of copyright liability and waiver description that I'm using in my YouTube videos, and once again, this is just an example. Check with legal counsel, check with an attorney in your state to see what you need to do. But having said that, let me read to you the disclaimer that I'm using here in California. It goes as follows. No part of this publication, which includes the YouTube video, may be reproduced, stored in a retrieval system, or transmitted in any form or by any means except as permitted under the United States Copyright Act without the prior express written consent of Jackson and Wilson, which is my law firm corporation. When I broadcast YouTube videos, especially on behalf of my law firm, I do so on behalf of the corporation and not me as an individual. The disclaimer reads and continues, while we use our best efforts in preparing the content for this site, we make no representations or warranties with respect to the accuracy or completeness of the content of the videos, including any content, links, or resources shared, including those by third parties. Furthermore, all parties specifically disclaim any express or implied warranties of merchantability or fitness for a particular purpose. And then the last paragraph reads, the advice and strategies contained herein may not be suitable for your situation. No legal advice is being given herein. You should consult with a professional where appropriate. No liability or damages shall take place because of this content. Furthermore, your use of this site and watching these videos confirms your agreement that California law applies to all disputes relating to this site and videos, and venue for all claims and disputes relating to this site and videos shall be in Orange County, California. Now, this is the disclaimer that we use, that we copy and paste at the end of each of our YouTube videos. You might want to think about doing something like this yourself if you're not already doing so. My name's Mitch Jackson. They call me the Streaming Lawyer. Connect with me at thestreaming.lawyer. In between now and then, enjoy the journey and make each day your masterpiece.